Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today is another adventure day. This is actually part 2 of getting my hair done and on my way on steps on getting extensions. So my goal is for the summer is to have extensions. So we're getting it to a certain color, and today is actually my second appointment. The first appointment we actually made some progress with some blonde, and this appointment is actually going to be probably some touch-up here in the front. So it has been only 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I came at the beginning of March. It's now towards the end of March. Yeah, I think it's only been 3 weeks. So yeah, my hair grows really fast. I don't understand it, which is kind of bizarre to me, because I don't think it ever used to do that. So anyway, this stylist that I met, her name is Summer, and if you didn't see the first go around, I will link that video right here, somewhere here, so that you can see that one first and see what my hair looked like before that. My hair is still in really good shape. The color and everything is just so vibrant, and so yeah, so today is, I just shampooed it and conditioned it, and that was it, and blow dried it. So it would be ready for her to get to work when I go in. So that's my story. If you'd like to stay tuned, please do, and welcome to my channel. If you're a first time, please make sure that you subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm with Summer again.
Getting ready to get started. Some more highlights.
Don't get her mom eating in the back.
Going later.
And that is 3 weeks of growth. I thought it was 4, it's 3. Huh.
That's a lot already.
Wow. 3 weeks already?
I know. Time goes so fast.
I know.
So start with some highlights. And I'll just do partial this time to help brighten it up a little bit without doing too much, so that it can stay healthy and keep growing. But I'm also trying to highlight it in a little bit of the darker areas from last time still. We're so close already.
It really did, from the cut last time, it really felt longer.
Yeah, I just did that to somebody the other day. It was like the haircut was just so uneven. It was throwing it all off, making it feel like way different than it actually was. Just a little corner sticking out. We'll throw it out, throw it off.
One day.
We got partial highlights. We're getting ready to put the roots in. Same color for the roots last time, but now there'll be more blonde in there. So it'll feel very similar, but a little lighter. Keep breaking up the color and getting the old dark out. But it's awesome to keep the dimension too. And putting the highlights how she likes to wear her hair, so they really stand out when she styles it.
So we're all foiled up.
Just gonna hit the root as little as possible so we can leave all the other nice color in there still. This is 30 volume, so it is great for gray coverage and lightening a little bit. Gray hair is very resistant, so use 30 volume. That makes sure it stays and turns out the color you want. Okay, so 35 minutes will process. And then let's take a look at the end, maybe tone it, but might be the color we're looking for, so we'll see. Good?
Good.
I'm gonna have you sit in this other chair for now.
Yep.
35 minutes.
All right.
Rinse this and see what I think. This okay?
Yep.
I work for a roofing company.
Just Smooth shampoo. Love this stuff.
I know.
There we go.
Paul Mitchell Boomerang Styling Mist.
I've not tried that.
It's a detangler styling spray. Gives you a lot of memory to your hair. So you blow out with lots of volume. It will hold really good, but it is called invisible wear because you won't notice anything in your hair. It's very lightweight, clean smelling.
Yeah, it is. And the Dyson.
And you part this way, right?
Yes.
I gotta try the air wrap on you. Did I have that one last time or this one?
Uh-huh.
Can't remember. You overdirect your hair and get lots of volume. So I'm gonna blow this part up, kind of, and over that way. This side over this way. Wow, what do you think?
I love it. Thank you.
She came in 3 weeks ago with almost your guys' color hair.
Yeah.
Yep. Getting rid of the dark. Oh my gosh.
I'll see me not outside with that one.
Yes.
Go out
Yay.
in the sun for a picture.
And that is step 2. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Mention's still there, but much lighter. Going for Jennifer Aniston color. Pretty close, right?
Yeah.
Especially from dark.
Yeah, it was really dark.
Yeah, and like violet-y. She's growing out, and we're gonna do extensions eventually.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Full transformation. Is that good?
Yep.
So pretty.
I just got finished with summer and I wanted to show you my hair in some sunlight, if you can tell. Hopefully you can. It's a little windy out today. Alright, I will link everything down below on everything you need to know on how to book with summer, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks so much and God bless.